Hey everyone, this is a video to show you how to upload to your Norman Public Schools YouTube account and how to do it as an unlisted upload that can only be accessed through a link. Now, as a quick disclaimer, even during times that are as unpredictable as these, publishers are allowing you to do things like read alouds, but anytime you are sharing published information that's under copyright, you do have to be mindful of how you're sharing that. And most publishers are asking not only for you to do it in something like YouTube as an unlisted link, but also only share that link through a private group that requires some kind of membership. So a private YouTube page that parents have to join, or your class dojo page, something like that. And most publishers are asking that these files, if they're like read alouds, be deleted by June 30th, though that could change depending on the situation. Anywho, I'm going to show you on my screen how to go to YouTube. I mean, you probably already know how to do that. Go to youtube.com. Make sure that what you see up in the corner when you click on the initial is your Norman Public Schools account. If you are seeing your personal YouTube account, you don't want to use that, go ahead and go to switch account and select your Norman Public Schools. If you don't see it, just click on add an account. So once you are on your Norman Public Schools YouTube page, you can go, nope, ignore me. Don't go to that. Oh yes, sorry, I'm right. So you will go to the YouTube studio. This is kind of your channel information if you've uploaded videos before. Then you want to go to create. See this button up here? Go ahead and click on create and then upload a video. Now, if you've watched my previous tutorial, you know that your videos are probably saved either on your desktop or another folder that you have designated. So go to select file and find that video. As you can see, I have my test recording that I recorded for the previous video. Go ahead and click open. And now you're going to get a whole bunch of questions. So, title. Obviously, this is where you want to give it a title so your students know what they're watching. And then the description can give them additional information about it. I wouldn't worry too much about the thumbnail unless you're very particular about what shows up when people go to your YouTube channel. Playlist. If you are keeping videos in a specific playlist and it's not copywritten materials, it's just like you teaching a lesson. Let's say you wanted to keep all your social studies videos together, so you could create a playlist. Like if I were creating a video for 4th grade, I'd select 4th grade videos so that I'm kind of organizing it as I go. Is this video made for kids? I know that it is made for kids because that's what we're doing, but it gets into things about age restrictions, and again, parents are watching this as well. So I usually hit no and then next. Okay, I don't care about any of that. Hit next. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. So if you're recording a video and you don't care if other people see it, so you're recording a video of a mini lesson or something and you want to go viral, you want people to see your teacher skills, you don't care if people share it, then you can just make it public. And that's not a big deal. That means that when people are searching YouTube for sight word lesson, your video might pop up and you can help kids all over the country and not just the ones for your class. If you are doing copywritten material, again, you have to do it as unlisted. And that means that they have to get the link directly, in order to get to the page. They cannot search for it and it will not show up on your YouTube video if they search for your profile. Now, it's really important, again, that you only share this link on a protected site, like, again, a private Facebook group or your class dojo, that you are deleting it based on what the publishers have asked, and also that you have told your families that this link is only for your class and should not be shared on social media or anything like that, so that they're not, you know, look at how awesome my kid's teacher is, and posting the link in their public Facebook page. So unlisted means that this link over here is the only way that you can get to the video. Now, if you do private, you're going to have to like put in email addresses, and it gets kind of iffy. So unless you know all their email addresses, I wouldn't do it private. So I'm going with unlisted, and I'm going to make sure that, see this little button, it copies the link for your video. I'm going to go ahead and do that so that I can just paste it into my Class Dojo story and be done with it. If you don't want to publish it, or you have to select a time, I mean, if you don't want it to get published until tomorrow or a specific day, that's fine. You can schedule it. Otherwise, don't worry about that. Just hit save and publish, hit unlisted, and then hit save. And it's published. Now, this is a 9-second video, so it took barely any time. Longer videos are going to take longer, and it'll tell you not to close your computer or X out of the screen until it is done. Again, you can share the link and all these things, and then you can actually copy and paste the link into where you want it. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly and I can help you with it. And again, if you're not sure how to record the video in the first place, please see the previous video.